Hello, na Bulwa Highway near LTO.
Hanggang 11:30 po tayo ha. At ating stay safe, Marjo, Liza, Retiro, stay safe.
Tuesday, August 4, August 4, 10:53 AM. Follow up LTO. License, smoke belching, etc. No. Sa Vios. Register. Vios.
Good morning, Valeria. And before we end, I'd like to thank you all for please na-ventilate namin representing the health worker, especially on PPI. Na-ventilate natin yung mga problema na hindi ng health worker, kundi ng mga pasyente.
Bulwa. Cagayan de Oro City.
Endless